They're at home. They're busy. They're cleaning the house. It's messy. Vocabulary. Cleaning the house. Ow, how. House. The house. House. Repeat. The house. Action, cleaning. Cl. E. Clee. Clean. Cleany. Cleaning. Clean, simple action, continuous cleaning. Repeat, cleaning. Very good. Cleaning the house. Repeat, cleaning the house. Very good. Let's practice. What is she doing?
She's cleaning the house.
Very good. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. Question. Are you cleaning the house today?
Yes, I'm cleaning the house today.
Very good. Are you cleaning the house today? Respond. Very good. Messy. Me. Mess. Messy. Messy, description. Messy. Repeat. Messy. Messy, description. Not organized. Not clean. The house is messy. Repeat, messy. Very good. Let's practice. The house is messy. Is the house messy?
Yes, the house is messy.
Very good. Is the house messy? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Where are they?
They're at home.
Very good. Are they busy?
Yes, they're busy.
Question. Where are they? Respond. And are they busy? Respond. Very good. What are they doing?
They're cleaning the house.
Very good. And is the house messy?
Yes, the house is messy.
Very good. Question. What are they doing? Respond. Is the house messy? Respond. Very good. So remember, home is location. They are at home, and the house is the structure. The house is messy. Action, sweeping the floor. Swa. E, sweep. P, sweep. E, sweepy. Sweeping. He is sweeping. Action. Sweeping. The floor. Full. Or. Floor. The floor. Sweeping the floor. Repeat. He is sweeping the floor. Mopping the floor. Ma. P, mop. E, moppy. Mopping. Mop, simple action, continuous mopping. She is mopping the floor. Mopping the floor. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What is she doing?
She is mopping the floor.
Very good. Question. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. What is he doing?
He's sweeping the floor.
Very good. Question. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Are they busy?
Yes, they're busy.
Are they cleaning the house?
Yes, they're cleaning the house.
Very good. Question. Are they busy? Respond. Are they cleaning the house? Respond. Very good. Washing the clothes. Pronunciation. Wa. Ah. Wa. Sh. Wash. E. Washi. Washing. Washing. Wash. Simple action. Continuous. Washing. Washing. Washing the clothes. Clothes. K. Cl. O. Clothes. Clothes. The clothes. Pronunciation. Washing the clothes. Repeat. Washing the clothes. Very good. Let's practice. What are they doing?
They are washing the clothes.
Are they busy?
Yes, they're busy.
Question. What are they doing? Respond. Are they busy? Respond. Very good. Pronunciation. Folding the clothes. F. O. Fold. L. Fold. D. Fold. E. Foldy. Folding. Fold. Fold. Simple action. Continuous. Folding. He is folding the clothes. Repeat. Folding the clothes. Very good. Let's practice. What is he doing?
He's folding the clothes.
Is he happy?
Yes, he's happy.
Question. What is he doing? Respond. Is he happy? Respond. Very good. Washing the dishes. Wa. Ah. Wa. Sh. Wash. E. Washi. Washing. Pronunciation. Washing. Repeat. Very good. Washing the dishes. D. I. Di. Sh. Dish. E. Dish. Z. Dishes. One dish, two dishes. The dishes. Together. Washing the dishes. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Are they busy?
Yes, they're busy.
Are they washing the clothes?
Yes, they're washing the clothes.
Very good. Are they busy? Respond. Are they washing the clothes? Respond. Very good. Question. What is he doing?
He's folding the clothes.
Is he happy?
Yes, he's happy.
What is he doing? Respond. Is he happy? Respond. Very good. What is he doing?
He's washing the dishes.
Very good. Question. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. What is the mother doing?
The mother is washing the clothes.
Very good. What is the daughter doing?
The daughter is washing the clothes too.
Very good. Question. What is the mother doing? Respond. What is the daughter doing? Respond. Very good. Are they busy?
Yes, they're busy.
What is the son doing?
The son is folding the clothes.
Very good. Question. Are they busy? Respond. What is the son doing? Respond. Very good. And what is the father doing?
The father is washing the dishes.
Very good. Is he happy?
Yes, he's happy.
Very good. Question, what is the father doing? Respond. Is he happy? Respond. Very good.